an honest review of Inbox Dollars, a platform where you can make extra money online by answering surveys and completing easy tasks. If you're looking for a legit way to earn money from home, using only your phone or computer, this video is for you. Before we start, this is very important. If you register using my referral link, mysurveypay.com, you will receive a $5 bonus just for signing up. This bonus is only available if you register through that link, so don't skip this step. What is Inbox Dollars? Inbox Dollars is a rewards platform that pays users for simple online activities such as answering surveys, watching short videos, trying offers, completing small tasks. Companies pay Inbox Dollars for market research, and Inbox Dollars shares that money with users. You don't need experience, and you don't need to invest any money. How to sign up? Step by step. Step 1 is registration, and this is the most important part. To get the $5 sign-up bonus, you must register through my link, mysurveypay.com. When you click that link, you'll be redirected to Inbox Dollars, where you create your account with your email and password. After confirming your email, the $5 bonus is added automatically. Starting with this bonus helps you reach the minimum payout much faster. How to earn money? Once your account is ready, you can start earning right away. Surveys will appear in your dashboard, showing the estimated time and payment. Some surveys are short and simple, others pay more and take longer. You can also earn by watching videos or completing offers. And remember, thanks to mysurveypay.com, you already start with $5 in your balance. Payments and legitimacy. Inbox Dollars is a legit platform that has been online for many years. It's free to join, and they really pay. It's not a way to get rich, but it's a solid option for extra income. Final recommendation. If you want to try Inbox Dollars, do it the smart way. Register using my link, mysurveypay.com. Get your $5 bonus, complete surveys, and start earning step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.